I freeze in the doorway, overthinking again. What if I fail? What if I don't fit in? These questions echo like a warning bell, but deep down I know myself. I've been holding back for fear of the fall, but even scared I still hear the call. Yes, I can, even if I doubt. I don't need to have it all figured out. Step by step, I'm finding my way. Progress over perfect, I'll be okay. Yeah, I can, even if I doubt. I rewrite the plan 100 times, trying to catch every warning sign, but nothing grows when I just delay. I've got to live, not just replay. So take the risk, I'll try to shine. Let go of perfect and trust what's mine. Mistakes don't mean I'm broken or small, they're just stepping stones after